Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data visualization skills with Tableau, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing Tableau Public from the official website. Create a free account to save and share your visualizations. Familiarize yourself with the Tableau interface. Explore the different sections like the workspace, menu bar, and data pane. Choose a dataset to work with, preferably one that interests you. You can find free datasets on websites like Kaggle or government data portals. Import your dataset into Tableau by clicking on Connect to Data. Select the appropriate data source type, such as Excel, CSV, or databases. Once your data is imported, examine it in the Data Source tab. Look for any inconsistencies or missing values that may need cleaning. Drag and drop dimensions and measures into the rows and columns shelves. Observe how Tableau automatically generates visualizations based on your selections. Experiment with different chart types such as bar charts, line graphs, and scatter plots. Use Show Me to explore visualization options that best suit your data. Customize your visualizations by changing colors, fonts, and sizes in the formatting pane. Add filters to your visualizations to focus on specific data subsets. Utilize the dashboard feature to create a comprehensive view of multiple visualizations. Drag your visualizations onto the dashboard area for arrangement. Adjust the size and layout to ensure clarity and readability. Incorporate interactivity by adding actions like filters and highlight actions. Practice storytelling by arranging your visualizations logically. Check your visualizations for clarity, ensuring they effectively communicate the data. Save your work frequently to avoid losing progress. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Public for sharing and feedback. Review the visualizations of others to gain inspiration and learn new techniques. Continue experimenting with different datasets and visualization types to build your skills. Take advantage of online tutorials and forums to deepen your understanding. Regularly challenge yourself with projects that require new techniques or concepts. Balance creativity and clarity in your visual designs for effective communication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.